Students, we are given this question. It is known that the roots of the equation x cubed negative 6x squared negative 4x positive 24 equal to 0 are an AP. Find the roots. So solution, let us assume the roots to be a minus d comma a positive d. So sum of the roots. So therefore sum of the roots. So what would that be? A negative d positive a positive d is equal to negative b divided by a. In this case, negative of negative 6, a is 1. Negative d positive d gets cancelled. So you get 3a is equal to positive 6. So a is equal to 6 divided by 3. So the value of a is equal to 2. So now instead of taking sum of the roots 2 at a time, I would be taking product of the roots 3 at a time. Okay, product of the roots taking 3 at a time. So that would mean a minus d multiplied with a plus d. This is going to be negative d over a, which is going to be negative. My d is, this is b, c and d, so it's going to be negative 24 divided by 1. Okay, so this is going to give me a multiplied a minus d times a plus d. You got to multiply that first, so that's going to be a squared negative d squared multiplied with a. So this is going to be a to the power 3 negative a times d squared is equal to negative 24. But we have got a to be as 2. So substituting, this is going to be 2 to the power 3 negative 2 times d squared is equal to negative 24. Okay, so this is 8 negative 2d squared is equal to negative 24. So moving positive way to the right, we will get negative 2d squared is equal to negative 24 negative 8. So when we add 24 to 8, we would get negative 32. So negative 32 on the right, you got negative 2d squared. So these two signs can be cancelled, giving me d squared is equal to 32 divided by 2, and d squared 2 divided 32 16 times, so therefore d is equal to root of 16. So you get d is equal to plus 4 or d is equal to minus 4. When d is equal to plus 4, we need to obtain the roots. Since the roots are in AP, it's going to be a minus d comma a plus d. We know that a is 2, so 2 minus 4 comma 2 plus 4. This will give me negative 2 comma 2 comma 6. So this is one case 1. Now case 2, when d is equal to negative 4. So the roots are in AP. You don't have to write this, but I'm just writing it for consistency. A minus d comma a plus d. So 2 negative of negative 4 comma 2 positive of negative 4. So this is going to be 6 comma 2 comma negative 2. So this means we get the same roots. The only thing is that the order changes. So this is going to be minus 2 to 6. But in this case, we start with 6, 2 and minus 2 in reverse order. So that completes the solution to this question.